Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Jessie and Wyatt English podcast, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, Jessie. How are you feeling today?
Honestly, Wyatt, not great. My throat hurts, my head is heavy, and my nose will not stop running.
Oh no, sounds like you're not feeling well at all.
Yeah, maybe I caught a cold.
Then today's topic is perfect for you. And for our listeners, too.
Haha, I guess so. What are we talking about?
We're talking about going to the doctor.
Oh, that's very useful. Everyone needs this kind of English at some point.
Exactly. We'll learn how to make an appointment, what to say to the doctor, and how to understand what the doctor says back.
That sounds great. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our podcast and share it with your friends.
Yes, that helps us a lot. Thank you, everyone. Now let's begin.
So, Jessie, imagine you wake up and you don't feel good. What's the first thing you should do?
I should call the doctor's office.
Right. And what do you say on the phone?
Hmm, maybe. Hello, I need to see the doctor, please.
Perfect. That's polite and clear.
The person on the phone is called the receptionist, right?
Yes, the receptionist. They usually ask, "What is your name?"
And I say, my name is Jessie.
Exactly. Then they ask, "What seems to be the problem?"
I can say, I have a sore throat and a fever.
Very good. The word sore means painful. So sore throat means your throat hurts.
Got it. And if I have a headache, that means my head hurts.
Correct. Let's practice the pronunciation. Repeat after me. Headache.
Headache.
Good. It sounds like headache, not headache.
That's helpful. So after I tell them my problem, what happens next?
The receptionist finds a time for you. They might say, "Can you come at 2 o'clock?"
And I can answer, yes, I can, or no, sorry, is 3 o'clock okay?
Exactly. Then they give you an appointment time.
An appointment. That means the time to meet the doctor.
Yes. Now you have an appointment. You go to the clinic or hospital. When you arrive, what do you say?
I can say, hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Jessie.
Perfect. That's polite and clear. Then the receptionist might say, "Please sit down. The doctor will see you soon."
So I wait in the waiting room. Maybe there are chairs, magazines, and other people waiting.
Yes, that's very common. After some time, a nurse calls your name.
Jessie.
"That's me." The nurse helps the doctor, right?
Yes, the nurse might ask, how are you feeling today?
I can answer, "Not so good. My head hurts and my throat is sore."
Good job. The nurse might check your temperature with a thermometer.
A thermometer. That's the small thing they put in your mouth or ear to see if you have a fever.
Exactly. The nurse might also check your blood pressure or ask how long you've been sick.
I can say, "Since yesterday," or "For 3 days."
Yes, that's perfect. Then the nurse says, the doctor will be with you soon.
Okay, I wait again. And then the doctor comes in.
Yes, the doctor says, hello, Jessie. What seems to be the problem today?
And I answer, "I have a headache and a sore throat. I feel very hot."
Good. The doctor might ask more questions like, do you have a cough? Or are you taking any medicine?
I can say, yes, I've been coughing a little, or no, I'm not taking any medicine.
Right? The doctor will listen carefully. Maybe they say, okay, let me take a look.
And then the doctor checks my throat. They have a small light.
Yes, they say, open your mouth and say,
Ah,
haha, very good, Jessie. You'd be a great patient.
thank you, Dr. Wyatt.
The doctor might also use a stethoscope. That's the round thing they wear around their neck.
Oh, yes, they put it on your chest to listen to your heart and breathing.
Exactly. They say, breathe in and breathe out.
Breathes in and out. Like this?
Yes, perfect. Then the doctor can understand what's happening inside your body.
That's interesting. And after checking everything, the doctor tells me what's wrong.
Right. The doctor might say, you have a cold.
A cold means when you sneeze, cough, and maybe have a little fever.
Exactly. Then the doctor gives you advice.
What kind of advice? Simple things like, you need to rest, or drink lots of water.
Rest means to sleep or stay calm, not to work too much.
Yes. And drink lots of water helps your body recover faster.
That's good advice. What about medicine?
Good question. If you need medicine, the doctor writes it on a piece of paper called a prescription.
Prescription. That means the paper you take to the pharmacy to get medicine.
Exactly. The pharmacy is the medicine store. You give the paper to the pharmacist.
And the pharmacist gives me the medicine and tells me how to take it.
Yes. They might say, take one pill in the morning and one at night, or take this syrup 3 times a day.
I see. It's important to follow the doctor's and pharmacist's instructions.
Very important. If you forget or take too much, it can be dangerous.
So I go home, take the medicine, drink water, and rest.
That's right. And after a few days, you start to feel better.
Yay! My throat feels good again, and my headache is gone.
Wonderful. It feels so nice to be healthy again.
Yes, health is really a blessing. When we are sick, even simple things feel hard.
That's true. Sometimes being sick also teaches us to slow down and take care of ourselves.
Exactly.
Let's do a small challenge for our listeners. Repeat after us.
Okay, ready.
I have a headache.
I have a sore throat. I have a fever.
I need to see a doctor.
I have an appointment at 2 o'clock.
Nice. That's great practice.
Yes, and here's another little challenge. What do you say when the doctor tells you you need to rest?
You can answer, okay, I will rest, or thank you, doctor.
Good job. Always be polite and thankful.
Now let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to make an appointment. Hello, I need to see a doctor, please.
We learned how to describe symptoms. I have a headache. I feel hot. I have a sore throat.
We learned what happens at the clinic. The receptionist, the nurse, the doctor, and the pharmacist.
And we learned some new words: thermometer, prescription, pharmacy, and rest.
Exactly. All very useful for real life.
You know, Wyatt, being sick sometimes makes me think about health in a deeper way.
How so?
I mean, we take our health for granted. We eat fast food. We don't sleep enough. And only when we get sick, we say, "Oh, I should have taken better care of myself."
That's true. Health is something we must protect every day, not only when we lose it.
Exactly. Drinking water, sleeping well, exercising a little, all of these keep our body strong.
And also staying positive and managing stress helps too.
Yes, because the mind and body are connected.
Very true.
You know, Jessie, there's another kind of doctor visit we sometimes forget. The follow-up appointment.
Oh, yes, when you go back to the doctor after a few days to check if you're better.
Exactly. The doctor might ask, "How are you feeling now?" And you can answer, "I'm feeling much better, thank you."
Or if you're still sick, you can say, I'm still coughing a little.
Yes. And the doctor might change your medicine or give you more advice.
It's always good to tell the truth about how you feel. That helps the doctor help you.
Right. Communication is key.
Okay, Wyatt, what if I don't understand what the doctor says? Sometimes doctors speak fast.
Good question. You can politely say, "Sorry, could you please repeat that?" Or, "Could you say it slowly, please?"
Ah, that's very useful.
Or you can say, "Can you please write it down?" if you want to make sure you remember.
That's smart.
Now let's do one more pronunciation practice. Repeat after us slowly.
Doctor,
Patient,
prescription,
pharmacy,
appointment,
temperature.
perfect.
Let's also practice a short conversation for our listeners.
Okay, let's do it.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, how are you feeling today?
Not so good. My head hurts and my throat is sore.
Let me check your temperature. You have a small fever.
Oh no! What should I do?
Don't worry. You just need to rest and drink water. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
That's great. Very real and easy to follow.
Yes, and listeners can pause and repeat anytime.
That's the best way to learn. Listen, repeat, and practice often.
Exactly. Even just 10 minutes a day helps you improve your English naturally.
Now, Jessie, you said earlier that sometimes sickness can teach us something. What did you mean?
Well, when I'm sick, I realize how important it is to be kind to myself, to rest, to slow down, to eat well.
That's a great point. Sometimes our body is just saying, "Hey, take a break."
Yes. And I think that's also good advice for learning English.
How?
When people learn too fast and feel tired, they should rest too. Learning works best when you're calm and happy.
Absolutely. English is not just about words, it's about confidence and rhythm.
Exactly.
So, before we finish, let's do one last review challenge.
Okay, ready.
Question 1. What do you say when you call the clinic?
Answer. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Question 2. What's the paper the doctor gives you for medicine?
Answer. A prescription.
Question 3. Where do you buy the medicine?
Answer. The pharmacy.
Question 4. What's the word for when you feel hot and sick?
Answer, fever.
Nice. 4 out of 4.
And now let's finish with our call to action.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, give us a like, and share it with your friends and family.
Yes, and keep practicing English every day. Even short conversations like this can make a big difference.
Remember, your health and your learning both grow when you take care of them.
Exactly. Be healthy, be happy, and keep learning.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.